Welcome back to the another FIFA World Cup Under 17 match between France versus Chile. The match has been started. Olise is now leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Dembele. Nicely passed to Mbappe. Mbappe hit and goal. The first goal just after 3 minutes. Mbappe did it. Beautiful passing combination between Olise, Dembele and Mbappe. What a nice hit. France 1, Chile 0. France is now leading by 1 goal. Vargas, big chance. Valdez, direct hit touch to the left pole. Again Osorio, direct hit and goal. Magnificent goal just after 8 minutes. Dario Osorio did magnificent goal. Beautiful tried by Valdez but touch to the pole. Next Osorio did magnificent goal. That is beautiful combination. Beautiful strategies between the players. Saliba. Olise again leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Mbappe. This time again goal. The second goal just after the 12 minutes. Mbappe. Beautifully hit. Directly hit to the net. That is appreciated goal. France 2, Chile 1. France is now leading by 2 goals. Olise again leading the ball, passing to Mbappe this time. Again Mbappe leading. Direct hit and touch to the upper pole. Again hit and goal. The third consecutive goal done by Kylian Mbappe just after 18 minutes. What a beautiful kick. And the second kick Mbappe did. Magnificent goal. That is awesome. France 3, Chile 1. France is now leading by 2 goals. What a nice game is going between France versus Chile. Both team players putting their full efforts to achieve the goal. Kamavinga this time. Nicely passed to Mbappe. That could be the 4th time. Goal! The 4th goal. Consecutive done by Kylian Mbappe. Just after 26 minutes. France just destroyed Chile in 26 minutes. Leading by 3 goals. What a nice kick. Far away from the D. France 4, Chile 1. A huge big pressure built on Chile. There is no way just to struggle. Vargas this time. Nicely clear. Valdez beautiful pass to Osorio. Direct hit. Touch to the player outside of the line. Again there will be corner kick. Valdez. Nicely clear. The ball is outside of the line. There will be throw. Arturo Vidal. The player was outside of the line. Saliba. A big challenge for Chile. Need 3 goals. Vargas this time. Vargas is leading but missed it. Beautifully defended by the defender. There will be corner kick. Valdez. Beautiful pass. Direct hit and goal. The second goal done by Rodrigo. Beautifully executed. Just after 42 minutes. Nice passing combination. And Rodrigo did clever goal. Beautiful combination. Beautifully executed. France 2. France 4, Chile 2. France still is leading by 2 goals. Chance Mbappe. Nicely clear. Vidal. Chance Arturo Vidal leading the ball, but half of the time has been over. Second half has been started. In the first half, France did 4 goals, Chile did 2 goals. Chile is trying their best. Vargas. This time Vargas directed and goal. Another goal done by Vargas. Chile is now on 3 points. Beautiful passing combination. Vargas did it. Beautifully attack by Vargas. They are just following the France. Only 1 goal needed by the Chile to make the game equal. Let's see what will happen. Beautifully come back by Chile. That is a big revenge. Beautiful passing combination, but far away from the player. 56 minutes have been passed. Still France is leading by 1 goal. Mbappe this time need only 1 goal to make more pressure over Chile. Otherwise, Chile is making a strategy how to achieve the goal. Osorio, beautiful pass, directed and goal. Valdez did the 4th goal and make this game equalizer. Beautiful goal done by Valdez. That is not only the goal, that is the match equalizer goal. Both teams are on equal points. France 4, Chile 4. Just after the 65 minutes. That is not looking only match. That is looking a war between France versus Chile. Hit and nicely clear. Vidal again. Osorio. Chance directed, but outside of the pole. What a comeback by Chile. Mbappe need 1 goal. Still 15 minutes remaining. For this game to be completed. Osorio leading the ball. Nicely clear. Dembele. Only 6 minutes remaining. Otherwise, penalties will decide who will win this game. France is putting their full efforts.
2 added minutes has been
Osorio leading the ball. Last chance. Nicely picked by the goalkeeper. The time is over. Now penalties started. Extra time has been started. Hernandez. Dembele is now leading the ball. Beautiful pass, but Gabriel was there to clear the ball. Tchouaméni. Both team players are not giving a single chance to any other to achieve the goal. Workers directed but defended by the goalkeeper. That was pure goal. Beautifully defended. There is a corner kick. Valdez is now heading the ball. Nicely clear. The time is over. Now penalties will decide who will win this match. Mbappe, the first attacker. Hit and defended. Beautifully defended. Arturo Vidal. Hit and goal. France 0, Chile 1. Dembele. Hit and beautifully executed. Let's see what happened with Valdez. Hit and defended. Both teams are on equal points. Olise. Beautifully goal done by Olise. Vargas this time hitting the ball. Hit and goal. Both teams are still on equal points. 2 chances remaining. Rabbit. This time goal. Alexander Arena. Direct hit and goal. Both teams are on equal points. Last chance. Last try. Hernandez. Hernandez from France. Hit and goal. And Rodrigo from Chile. That is the last kick. Hit and defended. And the winner of this game is France.